To remove a section like Hobbies, select the entire group, then click the Delete trash can icon. You can reposition individual elements, like these reference entries, by selecting and dragging them. If elements are grouped, like this reference, you can click Ungroup to edit individual parts. To duplicate an item or section, select all its components, like the lines here. Then, click the duplicate icon. Now you can move this new identical section wherever you need it. Adjust text elements. Select text to change its font size. Drag text box handles to easily resize its width. You can also change the font itself from the top toolbar. For finer details, select your text and click the spacing icon to adjust both line spacing and letter spacing. To change text alignment, select the text block and click the Alignment icon, then choose your preferred style. Edit visual lines. Select a line. Click Border Color to pick a new color. For precise adjustments, click Position, then Rotate to set an exact angle. For skill bars, select one. The Chart panel will open, allowing you to adjust its percentage fill. You can also easily edit section titles by selecting the text and typing in your new heading. Then, adjust other skill bar properties like line weight and percentage using their respective chart settings. Click Share, then Download. Choose all pages, click Done, then click Download again.